Martha Barzaga with Davidson Realty, and we're here at TrailMark trying to give you an update on what's going on here. Some of the things that we want to tell you is which ones are the special features that come with a D.R. Horton home in this community that are not included in any other community. For example, we have ledge stone on all of the homes. Every home comes with a glass insert. If there is a side light, it will also have the side light. Our garages will all have windows and hardwares, hinges and accessories attached to them. Since this is a natural gas community, some of the standard features in here that you won't see in any of the other D.R. Horton communities are a natural gas stove, a natural gas tankless water heater, and the hoods are all vented to the outside. We also will be including with each home the garage door openers.